In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the border around your images. So here I am in Photopea. I already loaded my image. Let me show you the lazy way. Simply click on the layer with the image, effects, and we can use stroke. And the trick is to make sure that the stroke is inside. Then we change the size. And take a look. The black border appear around. We can of course change the color of that border. So this is quick and easy, but we're going to lose part of the image because we are putting the border inside. We are putting the border on the image itself. If you're okay with that, that's the fastest way. In addition, you can also turn on something like inner shadow. And then we can create a bit of shadow showing that the picture is kind of inside, surrounded by the border, like that. So it's like the picture is inside and the border is outside. All right, but as I mentioned, we are losing the precious space on the photo. So if that's not something you want to do, instead of using effects, we need to expand our work area. So we got free space around the picture. For that, select image, canvas size, and this is the original size that we got right now. We need to expand that, so make sure it's linked, and then we can add like 200 pixels. Click OK, and now we got extra area around the photo. When you create a brand new layer, you can now fill this layer with color using the bucket tool. And just drag it under the picture. This way you still got the original image. We extend the area and we see the color from under that works as a stroke. We could also use the previous technique when you apply effect, stroke on the picture itself, and now we got this space outside, so we don't need to use position inside, we can do it outside. And then you can control everything from here. There's also option to do it at the center, and this one may give you a bit of happy medium between those two. So half of the stroke is on the image and half is outside. If you select overprint, you will still see the image under, and then we can create special effects like with this black stroke that is overprinting the original colors. Or we can change it to normal but reduce opacity. And this is popular effect. When the stroke inside, it's kind of giving us this black color, but we can still see through. So this is overprint effect. Make sure to reduce opacity and turn on the overprint. All right, so those are two easiest techniques for making strokes around the pictures. One, you can make it simply inside the image using effects. Second one, go for image and increase the canvas size so you get the free space around your picture. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.